Hello, I'm Christine. I'm here. I'm here today to unbox this Boxy Charm. This one, I'll show you. Ta-da! I have no idea what is inside. It was given to me as a gift. So let's open it. Ta-da! I'm so excited. Really excited what's inside. Oh my god, really excited. I can't sleep last night. Just think about this. I'm really excited about what's inside. Ta-da! So, here we go. Let's open it. Let's open it. Oh my god, what is in the so excited. Sorry guys. I'm just excited. Really excited. I don't know how to open this one. That's weird. Oh, I got it. Ooh. Oh no. What's this? Ta-da! Ooh. What's this? Ooh. I love this. I love it. I love it. I don't know. Maybe Malbec. Oh, it's natural. Lip gloss. It's lip gloss. It's lip gloss. I don't know how to open it. I'm really scared. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Look at that. There's a very word. Really cute. Ah. And the next one. Oh, what's this? Oil treatment for what? Apply. Oh, this is serum. Oh no, I've been looking for this. Oh, that's so cute. Serum. I really want to have this one. Oil treatment serum. Ta-da! Oh my god. Yeah. And then the next one. What's this? The brush. Brush. Oh. That was so cute. Come on, focus. I don't know. It's focusing. Really cute. Oh, the play. I love makeup. This is one really good though. To play with makeup. I don't know. That's it. Oh, there's another one. Being silly. Hi guys. This is really cute. Pilot. Yes. I don't have this one. I don't have pilot one, but this is so excited. I'm excited to use this one. I don't have pilot. Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh my god. Oh, this is the brush together. I think so. Wow. Oh, I like that one. And then they have, I don't think this is concealer. Wow, there's another one. I think that's it. Wow. Let me see. See that thing, right? Oh, that's my favorite. I love makeup. Makeup addict. Makeup addict. Makeup addict. Ooh. I don't know.
Open it and move them around. Show that.
That one.
Move them.
Ooh.
Magnets.
Oh my, really? I don't know. Like this? Oh, yeah. It's magnet.
No, inside. Move the makeup.
Really? Oh, that's so fun. I don't know that. I'm silly. I'm reading the stuff and then I do the. Oh my god, I never see this before. Look at this guys. Oh, magnet. I'm just gonna put it here and here and here, like a line, make a line, and here and here. Oh my god, that's so amazing. I'm excited to play with it. What do you think, guys? Oh, I want to try. I want to try how it's like pigmented. I don't know. Oh, I want to try it in my hands. I'm gonna play with. It doesn't show anything. A little bit. I don't know. Maybe I just use my hands. Oh, that's the color one. I do the gray, and then this is the silver, the brown. That's pretty. I like the color. And this one. Oh, see that guy? And that one. I like this one. Kind of brown silver. Oh, I like this one. This is kind of like so cute. That color. And then let's try this one. Wow, look at that. That's so cute. Haha, whoa, look, is it really? It's magnet. Wow. Ta-da. Move around, play around, move around, play around. That's so cute. I never see like magnet like you can move around. Really? Oh, you can. I think that was really cute. That was really cute. That's really cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, I have to play. Oh, I want to try this. I don't know. Let's see. I'll show you guys how it's look like. Maybe just try it in my hand. Oh, that's so pretty. I like it. Super pretty color. Super pretty color. See that? That's so pretty. Wow. Ta-da! That's so cute. And this is our most important. And we have a serum. Oh, this is really good though. Serum. I love it. This is serum. I don't know how to show you.
What's it do?
What's it do? It doesn't tell. Apply amount of serum into palms. Use more or less depending on hair length and thickness. Rub hands together and distribute evenly throughout hair. Oh, this is for hair. Okay, this is for really. I'm thinking it's for the face. Like, you know, they have serum also for the face. You can. Oh, this is for the hair? I never know. I'm excited to try this one though. This is for the hair. Oh my god. I'm thinking it is for the face. Like, you put the serum in your face, like blah blah blah, blah like every night and blah 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 like that. But this is for hair. Oh my god. I'm so excited to try this one too. Though. Oh my god. That's ta-da! Oh, I love it. Was really cute. I really I haven't have pilot like this. Like this magnet. That's so cute. Look at that. Poof. There you are. Yeah. Okay, I got those up. Yay! I'm really excited to this list pump. Oh my god. That was so cute. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe. Thank you for hanging out.
Hold on. Okay, so this Boxy Box, it's a subscription.
Really?
Every month, one of those will come with different stuff.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. How did you find it?
Looking.
Oh, okay. Oh my god. Ang ganda-ganda niya talaga. Oh, this is my first pilot I have. I never have pilot anyways. So this is so cute. I'm really excited to try this one. And also the lip balm. I like the color of the lip balm. So cute. It's I don't know what the color is. It doesn't tell what color is this. Oh, Malbec. It says Malbec. I don't know. Malbec. But I'm so excited to use this one. Ta-da! It's really cute. Like magnet. Oh, I'm so excited to use this one. So pretty. With a brush. Oh, so cute. Really excited to play with this. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. The box is really pretty cute. Look at that charmy. What's that? Boxy Charm. So cute. So cute. Wait, I'm really excited with this. Yay! Bye guys. Thank you for watching.